Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be showing you guys how to draw the chillguy. So let's get into it. So as you can see, we already start sketching out the circle. After that's done, we could go ahead and start dropping in the nose. And then from the nose, we'll end off right there at the bottom. And then we could finish off the head and bring down this line in the back for the neck. And then we could just end it off with this curve here for the collar. After that, we could go ahead and put in his ears. And we will also go ahead and just fix up his head in the back. So just bring that in a little bit more. Next, we could go ahead and we will bring down this line coming down. And from here, we could start putting in the body. Okay, so now we could start dropping in the torso. And we could come down with these lines here for his legs. And then we could put in these two cuffs at the bottom. And next, we could drop in his shoes. And for the shoes, it don't have to be perfect, guys. Just follow along and try your best. Alright, awesome. We finished with the shoes. Now we could go ahead and put in his arms. So we just gonna come down with this curve for the arm right here. And then we could go ahead and do the next curve on the other side. And notice the hands in the pockets. And that's part of what will really give it this chill look. Alright, awesome. So now we could go ahead and put in his collar. Next, we could add in the details right there. And from there, we just go ahead and put in all the different folds for the clothing. Alright, nice. And now we could just do a bit more cleaning up. On all the rest of the details. And we'll also put in the detail for his sweater right at the bottom here. Alright, so now we'll put in his eyebrows and his eyes. And we could also do the same thing to the other side. Alright, cool. Next, we could drop in his nose. And then we'll go ahead and shade that in. And lastly, we'll put in his mouth, which is a simple curve. Alright, and as you can see, guys, he already starting to look like a chill guy. But one more thing, we just go and grab our selector tool, and we just gonna adjust the eyes a little bit right there. And now we could just erase some of the guidelines. Just clean it up. And we will grab our selector tool one more time. And we will select the body. And just adjust it a little bit and move it up. Alright, nice. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this sketch. We go and kick it into time lapse to do all the inking, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we back after the time lapse, and I would have to say our guy looking pretty chill now. But with that being said, we could go ahead and start adding in all the colors. And this part is the most relaxing part. I would say is the chillest part of the video. You just grab a color and you drop it on. That's simple. Just drag and drop, drag and drop. Alright guys, so we finished adding in all the colors, and I just have to say, actually I'm not going to say it, we're going to keep this video chill. And there you have it guys, the final illustration. Hope you learned something, hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.